Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic fitness happy planner for the week of Friday, 5th of June through to Thursday. Is that right? Friday, 5th of June. No. Oh, I totally dated my last week wrong. It's Friday the 4th of June through to the Thursday, the 10th of June. I dated last week wrong. Oops. I'm sure did you guys notice that last week that I dated it wrong? Anyway, so this week I will be decorating using, because that has been the theme for all this week, I will be using Colorful Leopard. Ooh, there's hair. Colorful Leopard and combining it with Flower Power. Let's get started. I've really enjoyed this theme this week because it's definitely brought me outside of my comfort zone and it's really challenged me to try new things. So yeah, I've been very, very happy with this overall theme, just to be able to try it. And I think it's just, you know, a testament to the fact that it's, here we go. It's so fun trying something new. And look, I've even forgotten to number the pages because I got so excited about it. Give me 1 second. So putting this here, where's my pen? There we go. And reminder, the Friday is the 4th. So yeah, I totally got my dates wrong. Because today, Monday, I'm filming this early, Monday is the 31st, which is Memorial Day in the US. It's not a holiday here in Canada. It's like Karina, there are 31 days in May. And then the 10th. Perfect. Okay. So then let's find, because I've used up all of like the bigger leopard, but I think I could make these smaller ones work, and I think that would probably be better as well. There's these to-dos. Weekend vibes. I actually like that. And those and those. Okay. I'm gonna go and just place this weekend vibes right on Saturday and Sunday. And then I'm gonna grab let's see what boxes I have in here. There aren't that many boxes left, but there is an orange one for the florals, and that will be where my weigh-in will go for Saturday. And I honestly don't mind having the box go into Friday and then having to write around that. Then I have no bigger boxes to put in here other than this. Actually, that I'm going to use for something else. So I'm going to have to count on the boxes that are in here because I've used them all already. So I like the noted, the wild ideas, or the plan. The plan is a good one. And I may need another just to see if it will fit. Just looking at my previous spread here. Did it? Yeah, I will need a little bit more room. So maybe adding this underneath. And then I will add a floral. Oh, I love this big floral. And I think what I'm gonna do is place it down like so, and then I'll have to cut off the rest. And then the rest can be put on a different part of this spread. Scissors. I am filming this early because I normally film my fitness planner spread on a Thursday. and do the editing and stuff before I post it all on the Friday. But because Thursday I do have my biopsy, it's not going to be the greatest time to, I may rest that day, I may be okay for filming, who knows, but I'd rather just be okay and get it done. Okay, so then I think I know what I'm going to do. Take these or the transparent ones, we'll see, stay, and place these all over the spread. I just think that it'll look amazing, and then I will add some boxes in places that I think will definitely need them. Let's post this here. Then, okay, I'm gonna make sure I have my florals out just so there's a box there already that I can use. Okay, I'm gonna take this box and place it here. Actually, place it in the middle one. And then I'm going to place, it's a smaller note box. It won't be a huge, well, I lied. I'm gonna place one of these square boxes in there. And then see what I can do with the florals around that. I have so many sticker sheets in front of me here. I don't even know what is happening. Here we go. Okay. Then the other thing I want to put down is this. Because this one is very pretty. And yeah, I think it'll just go really well here. And then I can place another box. Oh, kid's bus will be home anytime now. Do I want one of these boxes, although they're not very big? Oops, I'm doing a ton of flipping through, guys, sorry. I'm actually really proud of how much I've used of this. So let's put this like this. Actually, we'll put it up a little higher. Straight. And find the washi that's in here. Oops. Come on. Oh, or the hearts. The hearts are fabulous. Let's do focus instead of today. Okay, so then I'm gonna go between, I'm gonna put this one in my lap because I don't have enough room. Then find these. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Place this one like this. Grab the last box. I know I'm covering quite a bit of it, so okay. Let's move this down. And you know what? I'll be able to put breakfast and lunch in that one. That's fine. And then let's put one down here. Actually, one down here. Yeah, and there'll still be enough room for me to write my workouts. And then I'm going to put this last floral here, which is massive, I know. Then I'm going to find a box to put on top of that, and then I'm going to do something else down here. Actually, this one will work perfectly. Because I don't want to waste too much of that sticker. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, and then let's grab a box for up there. And I won't need a box for down there. I think I will use the pink. And then I can put breakfast and lunch in there too. Perfect. Okay. It's a bit wild for me of all of the leopard and stuff, but I think once I do write in it, I think it will be really, really cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and write in the first column and then fill in the rest and then show you once it's done. So this first column, or this first box here, I guess, is where I journal how I feel after my workout, how I felt with my eating that day. And then this box here is where I keep track of my weight for the week. And then under focus, I keep track of my sleep, which hasn't been great the last week, and my water intake. And I aim for 2 liters of water every day, and each circle is 200 mils. Oh, I forgot to put a box there. Hold on. Now, what box will fit in there is the question. None of the floral ones. Let's find. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this to do. But what I'm thinking is that I'll white out where it says to do, so you can't see that, and then see if I can't place small floral there. Okay, and then here I keep track of my food, so I'm gonna have a recover shake, and then I haven't decided what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I haven't actually really decided at all. And then my lunch will be, what do I want for my lunch then, Friday? I haven't actually meal planned this far in advance. I've done my dinners. Oh, those are my kids. Hold on. Okay, so where was I? So I was writing in my breakfast, so I will probably have baked oats, baked protein oats. And then for lunch, I'm going to probably have a ham and egg sandwich. Gosh, cannot write. And then dinner on Friday, we actually don't know what dinner's going to be on Friday. Pizza. Could be pizza. Or pierogi. You know what? Let's do pierogies. I should actually eat those in the... And then Saturday morning... Oh no, I'm not going to write out Saturday, but basically that's what one looks like. And then Friday is lift 4, week 8, day 4. So it is the last workout of lift 4, which is a full body hit. And then starting on this Sunday, I will be starting lift 4 again, because lift 4 on Beachbody has 4 workouts. So you get 3 rest days. 2 of those rest days I'm adding in the lifting workouts from 10 rounds. So I will be working out 6 days a week with the 1 rest day, which will be Saturday. So I'm excited to try or start that. And then I also keep track of the steps that I do, as well as the calories burned. And then alongside that, on this side here, I keep track of the goals for the week. So I try to do my night routine. So my night routine is basically 10 minutes of brush my teeth, wash my face, 10 minutes of journaling, and 10 minutes of reading. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I try to get 2 liters of water, which is what you see there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then 12,000 steps a day. I actually really like keeping this habit tracker on the side. 3, 4. And then 2,200 calories per day. So that's burned per day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 125 grams protein. I am still working towards that. I haven't been as successful, but I am getting closer. Okay, so that is that filled out here. I will go ahead and fill this out and then show you once it's all done. So there is the overall finished spread. So I haven't filled in this top part because that is where I do my daily journaling. And then in here, I keep track of my sleep score, which I get from my Fitbit, and my water intake. And then I have pre-planned most of the breakfasts and the lunches and the dinners. And then if things do change, I always have my trusty whiteout. And then down here, I've written down the workouts that I plan on doing, and then the steps and calories that I will be doing on each day. So tracking that as well. And if you guys are noticing, the program that I will be doing or continue doing, I will be doing Lift 4 again, but just really focusing on lifting rather than trying to do too many programs at once. I think what had happened towards the end of this last one is that I was just burnt out. So if I really just focus on the lifting and trying to get 12,000 steps a day, not by running or anything, but just by marching around the house, I think that'll be a lot better for me. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.